Oh, nice. Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh, the
Chicken. Well, that sucked.
See, look. Rawr. See it? Look.
That's man, that was impressive.
Here, look. Dad, look. Whoa!
Okay, these are Shogun or something. The ones I just let were black cats, so let's see the difference. Those are pretty cool, but I think black cats are better. Ow! That's all I need. Just kind of showing you guys our horizon. There's fireworks everywhere. There's some over that way. They kind of stop. There's one right there. You can't really see it that well, but they're everywhere. I love it out here. So yeah, there's ones here. Yeah, I'm missing them. All over. So yeah. Can't really see them that well, but because I'm out on little flip cam. But they're everywhere, so yeah. Hold on. These are kind of cheesy, but pretty cool.
Mom, see those? Dad, look at those right here. They're right in front. Oh, they stopped right as you look.
Here's pretty much all we have left. It's the big stuff. 140 shot Roman candle. Some of those, I don't know what they do. That just bad boy thing. This full rocket and then this. So yep, that's what we have left to shoot. Oh, it fell over. Ruby, look out! Ruby!
Okay, that could be a problem solver.
Go.
Get it. Ruby, no.
Hey, look out! Ooh. Ruby, get back!
Ruby!
attempt. I'm dippy this year.
No. Getting a lighter.
Ooh, ooh, he's gonna do two. Oh, that's. Oh God. Jeez, that sucked. That did. That.
No, what? You use a tongue.
Oh my gosh, who cares?
Ruby, get back. Get back.
Oh yeah. Ruby, get back.
Dad, get back.
Those are fast.
You alright, Dad?
Yeah.
Oh, that was cool. Go, go, go.
Ruby, get back.
Oh, cool. The other one's still going. Oh, nice. Shut up, dog.
I want you to do it first because mine's going to go first.
Oh, nice. That one was cool.
I'm ready, man. Go.
Go.
Hugh, I'm telling you.
Hugh, buddy.
It wouldn't go.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta go first. Nice. Shut up, dog. Ruby, Ruby, be quiet. Rocket. That one didn't go as high. Hugh, get back, get back.
Why won't it go?
Nice. Get it, Dad.
Ah, come on.
Nice, double. Get it, Dad. There it goes, there it goes. Oh, nice. Get back, get back, get back. Man, those ones take a while, don't they? That one's shorter. Go, Dad. Yeah.
6. Max, that's a single.
Get back. 3. Get it, Hugh.
You're firing. You're firing. Wait.
Get it, Hugh. Go, Dad. Yeah.
That's a 4 and a 3.
Mom, it's the 4th of July.
Mom, it's 4th of July. It can't be when we started.
Go, go, go.
These are the tubes.
3 inchers.
Yeah, 3 inches.
He's doing this one first, Hugh. Don't do that one.
Yeah,
All right.
watch out. He's doing it.
Go, Max.
Cool.
See, that was much better. This too. Look at it, like,
Look at this Roman candle. It's the grand finale, the big Husker.
Everybody run.
Here we go.
Alright.
Woohoo! Man, can't wait to see this one. Those have power. That's what I call grand finale.
Drop it.
Oh, God. Yeah. This is a big, giant one. Holy crap. We put one of those big firecrackers, I guess we can call it, in there. It blew this thing in half.
Look at the ground.
Man. That's what I call some
Look
firepower.
at that, Dad.